Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will talk about the word love and similar words that express different kinds of love. Let's start with love. Love means a deep feeling of care and connection with someone or something. For example, for family. I love my parents for always supporting me. For hobbies. She loves painting because it makes her happy. For friends. He loves spending time with his best friend. Love is a strong feeling of care and attachment. Next is affection. Affection means showing love and care through words or actions. For example, a hug from a friend. She showed her affection by giving him a warm hug. A kind gesture? He expressed his affection by helping her with her project. A loving look. The mother's eyes were full of affection for her child. Affection is love you can see or feel in small actions. Now let's learn adoration. Adoration means loving someone or something deeply and thinking they are amazing. For example, for a role model. He felt adoration for his teacher who inspired him. For a pet. She had pure adoration for her little puppy. For a performer. Fans showed their adoration by cheering loudly for their favorite singer. Adoration is a deep and heartfelt kind of love. Next is devotion. Devotion means being fully committed and loyal to someone or something you love. For example, for family. His devotion to his family was clear in the way he took care of them. For a cause. She worked with devotion to help people in need. For a partner. They showed their devotion by always supporting each other. Devotion is love that comes with loyalty and dedication. Finally, let's talk about fondness. Fondness means having a soft and gentle liking for someone or something. For example, for childhood memories. She had a fondness for the games she played as a child. For a friend. He always felt a fondness for his old schoolmate. For a favorite food. I have a fondness for chocolate ice cream. Fondness is a warm and light feeling of love. Remember, love is a deep connection and care. Affection is love shown through actions. Adoration is deep love with admiration. Devotion is loyal and committed love. Fondness is a soft, gentle liking. That's all for today. Now you know how to use these words to talk about love.